Hey, what's up guys? It's Doodle Clubhouse, and in this episode we're going to draw the PBS Kids Go logo. So we're going to start out with the PBS part of the logo. So we're going to draw the letters PBS. We're just going to start with the P. We're going to create a shape like that, and then almost like a half circle inside. I'm going to do the B. I'm just going to draw a straight line down. Then we're going to do two humps, leaving a gap in the middle right there. And then two half circles on each side. Then we're going to do the S. So we're going to start out with a little squiggly like that. It's big at the top, and then it gets smaller. And we're going to come back around just like that. We have to do the word kids. So we're going to do a shape like that, leaving a gap, two angled lines, two little lines, and then connect like that. The eye is just going to be sort of a skinny rectangle, and the D will start with a line straight down, make a nice big D with a little half circle on the inside. And we're going to do another S, so the squiggly starts big and then it gets smaller towards the bottom. Two little lines, just like that, and then another little squiggly. Now we have to do the word go. So we're going to do big G. We're going to start out with a line, just like that. It's going to come around. And we're going to do another line coming around. Nice big curve. A line going up, over, up, and then over again, and then down. And we got our G. Now we just have to do a big O. And I'm going to redo that one. There we go. And then another little circle inside of that. And the exclamation mark. So we're going to do a slightly angled line going down. Two little lines connecting off of it. And then another line going down. And then a circle. So we have our words and letters. We just have to draw the speech bubble. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna start with this big curved line. It's almost like we're just drawing a big oval around our letters. And we're going to leave a little gap at the bottom right. And then we're going to create a little point. Then we just have to outline everything and make the outer line a little thicker. So we're just going to do an outline around everything that we just made. There we go. Now we have our outline, let's go ahead and color it in.